All right, the weekend is here and everybody's smiling about that, but we do have some flakes flying in western parts of North Dakota. We have flakes in our forecast as well. So we take you in a little bit closer south of Bismarck, where you see the deep blues near Mobridge, South Dakota, some heavier bands of snow. As this really is sitting on the boundary between bitter cold air here that we have outdoors now around 10 to 20 below zero, while it's 30 in Casper, Wyoming. And on this boundary, that's where all of the action is going to take place as we go through the weekend. And the boundary isn't going to move too much. Right now, 18 below Devil's Lake as well, 17 below in Cavalier, and 14 below zero in Grand Forks. It's 10 below for Bemidji right now, 2 below in Wahpeton, Breckenridge. Basically, everybody's shivering at this hour, but there is not a lot of wind. Trying to sell it here, folks. So the wind chills aren't as bad as they have been the last few nights. 11 below at Hector International. All right, here's your hour-by-hour forecast. We got a storm to talk about, but it doesn't happen overnight tonight for us. While there will be some snow in the western Dakotas, we get some clouds shooting up our way from that activity, and as a result, temperatures shouldn't drop too much more. In fact, for some of us, they'll even rise towards daybreak to around 10 below zero. And then we'll see temperatures that will rise up through the first half of the day with a mix of sun and clouds passing through the valley. Our wind direction will be pretty light through the early part of the day and from the southeast. As low pressure starts to develop and move our way, we're going to see an increasing amount of cloud cover, and the blue on there is our future radar showing that there'll be bands of snow setting up in southern North Dakota as well as northern South Dakota. As we close out our Saturday, it continues to get thrown up our way. All right, by the late night hours, Saturday night and into our day on Sunday, the snow continues to fall. And by Saturday night late, portions of southeast North Dakota, south of Interstate 94, will have some accumulation on area roads. And while the snowfall won't be heavy, we'll start to see the impacts of it by your Saturday night. More on the system in just 1 second. Let's recap your Saturday. In Fargo, a chilly start, 11 below, rising up to around 13 degrees in the afternoon with winds southeasterly or easterly at around 10 to 20 miles per hour late. Chance of snow late in the evening, and then heading into the day on Sunday and through the day, the snow chances do continue. Now, models are shifting this just a little bit to the north and to the east. So snowfall potential with this system, a trace to maybe an inch close to Fargo, absolute zero up to the north. And then as we take a look down in southeast North Dakota, pretty widespread areas of 1 to 3 inches of snow here with isolated folks, I think, right along that South Dakota border, getting as many as 6 to some models say 8 inches. So be ready for some shovel trouble by your Sunday. Judge a book by your cover, and you might want to take a walk in shorts and a short sleeve shirt outdoors, but Rick reminds us that it's pretty cold at Lake Ida too. Maybe it is a promise of warmer weather. Let's see what the 7-day has to say about that. Now, on Sunday, temperatures stay in the teens for highs in the afternoon. We'll still have a chance of some snow throughout the early part of the day into Monday as well, as temperatures cool back down into the single digits. But take a look at Tuesday to Wednesday. That's what we call a warming trend, 8 whole degrees. Now remember, average highs 24 this time of the year, and we just might get there as we rock into our Friday next week with a chance of flakes.
Anything is warmer if we're above zero. You know what I mean?
Well, we're trying for as many wins as we can.
We are.
One game at a time.
Thank you.
Yeah.